We've united for the very first time the world's tallest living man and the world's shortest living man. So Chandu Dangi from Nepal, who's 21.5 inches, meets Sultan Kosen, who's 8'3". They never met before, and it's quite a momentous occasion for us.
5 sene içinde hayatım yani çok değişti. Ben eskiden çok küçük, çok yani.
Prior to becoming the record holder, I was locked away essentially in my room. People used to tease me, make fun of me. But since becoming the record holder, my life has changed significantly. And I've learned to accept myself, and having learned to accept myself, people accept me too.
I'm so pleased. It has opened the door to sort of meet many people, and the love they actually give back to him is immensely important to him.